In your preferred browser, go to the link on screen and download OpenVPN Connect version 3. Run the OpenVPN Connect installer and allow the installation to finish. In your browser, go to the URL on screen. Enter the VPN login username and password as shown in the VPN login information section on your MetroCloud login information sheet. On your mobile device, you will need to install the Google Authenticator app if you don't already have it installed. Open the App Store on your mobile device and search for Google Authenticator and install the app on your device. In Google Authenticator, tap Get Started or tap the plus sign in the lower right corner. Tap Scan a QR code and scan the QR code displayed on the MetroCloud login website. An entry for OpenVPN will appear in Google Authenticator once you have confirmed that the QR code has been scanned and the OpenVPN entry is present in Google Authenticator. Continue on to the next step. If you accidentally click the I scan the QR code button before scanning the QR code, you will need to contact MetroCloud support. Click I scan the QR code. To test Google Authenticator, log back into your MetroCloud account using the same VPN login credentials as shown in the VPN login information section on your MetroCloud login information sheet. This time, it will ask for a Google Authenticator code to complete the login process. Once logged in, click on your Self-User-Locked profile to download the personalized client.ovpn file. Click on the downloaded client.ovpn file to automatically import the profile into OpenVPN. Check the Save Password checkbox if you want OpenVPN to save your password and enter it in the password field. Click Connect. Enter the Google Authenticator code and click Send. OpenVPN should now connect. To connect to the MetroCloud Internet Server, again, open your preferred browser and go to the MetroCloud login URL as shown on your MetroCloud login information sheet. You may want to bookmark this URL in your browser for easy access in the future. When prompted, enter the appropriate MetroCloud user account username and password as listed on the sheet. You will now see the MetroCloud screen load, and you are now connected to the MetroCloud Internet Server.